Hi guys, what's up? This is Chibi. Yep, this is what I look like. Mostly see me in Rika cosplay, so this is me without the cosplay. As you can see, my hair is still a similar color, and it's still really long. I need to get a cut. Just like, trimmed a little bit. But guess what? All the haircut places are closed, so... Today I'm going to open Angels of Death special Zack alarm clock, which is hard to find. Soda with Cereal on Tumblr was selling it, and I was like, man, I can't. But then I saw there was some money in my PayPal to cover it, and I was like, I'm gonna kick myself if I don't buy this from her. Because she was selling it for a really good deal, and like, if you look on Yahoo Auctions Japan, it is super expensive. She said it's never been opened. She only had it for collector's purposes, but I'm gonna be using it though because I have a hard time getting up in the morning. So this is what the box looks like. Sorry. And I apologize for the bad lighting and the glare. I'm still getting used to this. The reason why I did a lot of videos in the past without really showing my face is I'm just really bad at using a camera, but I found out that the web camera in my laptop it's okay. It works. So, this clock has 3 things that it's... Oh, it even comes with batteries. That's sweet. Ooh, it's a big clock. This is... I have a couple anime alarm clocks. This is the biggest one that I now possess. Oh my god, it's so old school! Look at this thing! It's awesome! I love it. I'm gonna have to make a lot of room on my bedside table though. I didn't predict it would be this huge. So it doesn't look like you have to unscrew to put the batteries in. That's good. Oh, damn. There we go. That was so nice that they included batteries with this thing. They almost never do that. Thanks, Japan. So I'm pretty sure it was Japan that did it, because, like I said, the user said she never opened it. It's already ticking. Okay. So it's on. I have no idea how you set this. Okay, it comes with directions. That's good. Of course, they're in Japanese. Voice. Oh, okay. Voice button. Alright. This is the voice button back here. Basically, that's, I'll give you 3 seconds to get your ass out of bed. You see how, like, I translate this properly. Yeah, that's what he says. And then the next time, like once you hit the clock, and it goes off again. 絶対に俺がお
お前を起こしてやる。神に誓ってな。だから、俺以外に起こされんじゃねえぞ。
I swear that I'm going to get you up. I swear to God. So don't get woken up by anyone else but me. It's everything he says to Ray except altered, so he's talking about sleeping. It's so funny.
いくらお前がつまんねえ顔の女でもよ、このまま寝かせとくってのは難しいんだぜ。俺だって嘘は嫌いなんだ。この意味わかんだろ。お利口さ。だからよ、頼むわ。今だけ俺に起こされろよ。
So that's basically the reenactment of when he's on Kathy's drug and he's like, he's trying to resist killing her and he's like, just don't get killed by me right now. It's basically the same dialogue except again replaced with getting up instead of getting killed. It's like, no matter that you have a boring face, really can't let you, I really can't let you sleep in this long. I hate lies, and you know what that means, right? Good girl, so I'm begging you, just let me wake you up. This is a good clock. I have to figure out how to set it so it will actually wake me up. I think it will. I'm actually a really light sleeper. I'm like my dad, where like the slightest thing will wake us up. And this is going to annoy the hell out of my parents. So yeah, it's a good purchase. So that was just really my video for showing you that. Put it right here. Sorry I haven't updated my manga yet. I really felt like shit this weekend, and like, you know, one day it was a really bad headache, and then it was, you know, like, other stuff. So, I am working on it though. I'll probably wait until Saturday to put it up. I keep saying it's going to update on Saturday, and like, I never do. But, thanks for your support so far. Chapter 1's almost over. We have like a couple more pages to go. And then we're going to take a little break. I'll do character profiles and stuff. I have other projects that I'm working on. This manga by the creator of Happy Sugar Life did this one that's like really cute and adorable and so inoffensive, and I can't believe it's the same author. But I'll be releasing chapter 1 of Kamiyome, and I would like to release chapter the Yomikiri. It's like a sequel Eon chapter that Arina Tanamura did after like 13 years of ending the first Eon series. That's the cover. It runs in Ribbon Fantasy. I actually forgot about this until someone on Discord was like, hey, wasn't there an Eon special? And I was like, yeah, I have it. Let me check and see if anyone else scanlated it. And nobody did. So that's why my scanlation group is called Shikatenai, because it means it can't be helped. Like, nobody else will do it, so I have to do it. So I hope you keep watching my channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about the glare. Can't do very much about that. And I have a lot more surprises coming up for Angel of Death fans and Chaotic Helven fans alike, so be sure to keep an eye out. Take care.